Today we're doing a tutorial on edible lace. Let's get started. Combine 9 tablespoons of boiling water with 1 tablespoon of CMC. Mix it and let it sit until it's clear. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of light corn syrup and you're going to mix this together. In a separate bowl, I combine 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of ice and sugar, and I'm going to add it to this mixture. We're going to mix until it's fully combined, and this is what it should look like. Select the food color of your choice to add to this mixture. I chose Super Black. And I'm going to mix this until it's fully combined. As you can see, it's fully combined, and now it's ready to be added to the silicone lace mat. Switch the angle of the silicone mold when filling the cavity, just to make sure you haven't missed any spots. I'm adding the mixture to another silicone mold and I'm moving it around just to make sure I haven't missed any spots. Once I've completely added the lace mixture to the silicone mats, I let it dry overnight, 24 hours. I know I sped up the video, but I carefully remove the lace from the mat. And this is the end result. Thank you for joining me on V Sugar Studio. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe.